Hello, my dear students. Welcome back in your online classes for English. I'm your English teacher, and today we are going to study your first English chapter from your grammar book. Hope every one of you remember your grammar book name, that is New Enjoying Grammar. And your first chapter in this book is Making Nouns Plural. I believe every one of you have heard about nouns. Nouns, basically we say that noun is a naming word, right? And a noun is a word used for a person, a place, thing, idea, etc. Before we go ahead, students, may I just ask you one thing? Can you think of anything in this world which does not have a name? Just think. I'll give you 20 seconds of time. You can think. Is there anything present in this world which does not have a name? I believe there is nothing. So, in this whole world, whatsoever is present, everything has a name, and whatsoever thing is present, those which are having names, that is called nouns. So that is the reason we represents noun for person also, place also, things also, ideas also, and etc. But how to make nouns plural? Basically, nouns, if we can see here, nouns can be divided into two parts. One is your singular, another is your plural. Singular, everyone knows very well that when we represent one thing, we call it a singular. And when we represent more than two, 3, 4, 5, it means more than two or like 2, 3, whatsoever numbers are there, we call it plural. But when we make nouns plural, there are certain rules. So let's grab a pen and paper. Hope every one of you are ready with a pen and paper. Kindly write down the name of your chapter, that is Making Nouns Plural. Now write down rule number 1. When we make nouns from singular to plural, there are rules. Basically, we are going to talk about some regular nouns. So for regular nouns, we simply add s. Kindly write down rule number 1. When you are going to use regular nouns, we just have to add s. For example, we are talking about one car, one dog, one book, one house, one apple. These are singulars. But when you add s along with car, dog, book, house, apple, it means you are increasing their numbers. So let's see what are the changes. These are the changes. When one car becomes two, it's not only car, it becomes cars. One dog becomes two, so it's not only dog, it's dogs. Book, books. House, houses. Apple, apples. Now all of you can underline S in the second portion so that you can understand that in regular nouns we just simply have to add S. Yes, it's like this, and this is how your regular nouns represents. So just by adding S you can make the nouns plural. Now kindly write down rule number 2. In rule number 2, we are going to talk about when there are such nouns. Noun means some words, noun, those who are ending with S, CH, SH, X or Z. Please note down, students. When any of your noun ending with S, for example bus, it's ending with S. CH, example match, CH. SH, example dish, SH. X, box, it's ending with X. Z, it's ending with Z. Quiz. In these kind of nouns, what you have to do, students? You simply add ES at the end. You don't have to remove anything. You don't have to add another s or anything. You simply add es along with these nouns just to make your nouns plural. So here you can see the changes. Bus, B-U-S, it's called bus. But when we are going to talk about more than one bus, we simply have to add es because the last word of this bus is s. For to make this plural, we have to add es. Match, matches. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Quiz, quizzes. You simply also remember, students, when we are adding es after s, ch, sh, x or z, in pronunciation your sound comes z, like buses, matches, dishes, boxes and quizzes. And there are some exceptional cases where we are going to use double. For example, quiz. Here your quiz spelling is Q-U-I-Z-Z. These are some exceptional cases. Hope you have understood with the rule number 2. Now let's move forward. Now write down rule number 3. In rule number 3, when your noun before moving forward, you can see here I have underlined the words for you. S, we have changed it into es. Ch, we have added es. Here everywhere you can see that I have underlined the noun ended with s, ch, sh, x or z, and we simply have added es after that. Hope it's clear to everyone. Now move forward to rule number 3. It's very important rule also. When your noun ends in f or fe. F or fe. Hope every one of you are noting down. Very good. So when there is any noun which ending with f or fe, for example, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf, or F-E, for example, life, L-I-F-E, life, knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. In these kind of cases, what you have to do, we simply add V-E-S, but after removing F or F-E. For example, leaf, we have already removed F from here and we have added V-E-S. Exactly. In wolf, when we are going to talk about two wolves, we have added V-E-S but we have removed F. In life, we have already removed F-E and we have added V-E-S. Very good. And again in knife, we have removed F-E and we have added V-E-S. Hope all of you have understood the rule number 3 where your noun ends with F or Fe. How you made them plural? Just by adding VES. But before adding VES, what you have removed, students? F and FE. Very good. But always there are some exceptional cases which you will learn time by time. For example, we are talking about one exceptional cases here. One is roof. Now it's ending with F. So you're supposed to remove F and you will add VES? No. These are the exceptional cases where we simply add S to make roof plural. The same way, cliff, C-L-I-F-F. We don't have to remove this F from here. We are not going to add VES. These are the exceptional cases and it simply becomes roof, roofs, cliff, cliffs. If you can see, I have already underlined that what I have removed. F we have removed, we have added VES. FE we have removed and we have added VES. And in exceptional cases, roof become roofs, cliff becomes cliffs. So these are few rules which we have discussed in today's class. There are many more rules which are more important than this. These are the basic rules that we will discuss in next class. So before I will provide you your worksheets related to this, kindly listen this whole video once again so that you can make yourself prepare for to solve the worksheets. And in your next video, I will discuss about the more rules about how to make nouns plural. Stay healthy, stay safe everyone. Take care everyone.